Welcome friends, I am Jayesh Gandhi and in this video we are going to talk about Boolean identities and its implications while using logic gates. So let us talk about a few Boolean identities and see how logic gates would behave with reference to these Boolean identities. So let us start our discussion. The first identity which we want to talk is the AND gate identities. The behavior of AND gate when one of the input is 0 and one of the input is 1. If we have a dot 0, then the result would be 0 because any number when it is AND with a 0, then the output will be 0. Similarly, a dot 1 will give us a. So a dot 0 will give us 0, a dot 1 will give us a. Now let us take these two identities and try to use an AND gate and try to see what happens. So here I have shown the AND gate to which an input A is given which varies with respect to time. This is your time axis and it varies with respect to time in this fashion. So first of all it is 0, then it becomes 1, then it becomes 0. The value of B is held to a 1. Meaning that the value of B is kept a constant 1. As a result of this, when you AND these two numbers A dot B, then you will have A dot 1 and A dot 1 gives us A. So whatever is the input we have given to A with reference to time, that same input is available as output over here. This is a very important application of AND gate because it is extensively used for gating purpose. Now if we hold the value of B to 0, then what happens? If B is 0, then we have A dot 0 is equal to 0, the output will be 0. As a result, you will find that this output over here is 0. Whatever is the input over here, the output will always be 0. So now we have two conditions. If B is 1, whatever is the input that is available at the output, and if B is 0, whatever is the input, the output is always 0. So you can block the input using the B as a control signal. If you want to allow the value of A to pass to the output, then you make B is equal to 1. And if you don't want the value of A to pass to the output, then you make B is equal to 0. Next we go to the Boolean identity for OR gate. So A plus 0 is A and A plus 1 will always be 1. Now with the help of this identity, if we analyze the OR gate, then the input to the OR gate is as shown over here and it varies with time as we have seen in the previous case also. And the value of B is held to a 0. So A is varying with time, B is 0. A plus 0 is always A, and as a result, whatever is the input that will appear at the output. But if we make the value of B as 1, then whatever is the input at A, the output will always be 1 because A or 1 is always 1. This is the identity. So we have the output as 1. So as a summary to this, we can say that if for OR gate B is equal to 0, the output is A, and B is equal to 1, the output is always 1. So these are the identities of AND and OR operations, and we have learned how the gates will respond to these identities and how they can be put to some applications. So thank you very much for viewing this video. I hope you liked the discussions. Please subscribe my channel and promote it. Give a thumbs up and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.